What's up guys? I hope you guys enjoy. I make hot dogs in this video and it's really quick, easy, delicious, and it feeds like a lot of people. So enjoy! Alright, so hello. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to take a white or yellow onion. I'm pretty sure they're the same thing, but whatever. I just want to cut it in half lengthwise, of course, as always. And you want to peel the skin off. Well, like the first layer, you know. Then we are going to slice it, and if you don't know what that means, basically we're just going to slice it from the top to the bottom to make half moons or crescents, whatever you want to call it, just basically that. We're going to do that for the entire onion, so we just have a bunch of slices there. Next thing, I have a cast iron skillet here, and I just threw, I think, 8 hot dogs on there. Wait, there are 2 more that are missing. Where are they? There they are. Okay, yeah. So I let those go for about 5 minutes, 5 or 8 minutes. No. So as you can see, one side is a little lighter and the other side's darker, so I'm just going to flip it so then the lighter side is closer to the heat. Now that everything is browned, that is exactly what you want, by the way. We're just going to flip the hot dogs that are ready to be flipped, I guess. That one's a little under. Why is that one? Okay. Now, because some were not getting all the heat or they weren't cooking as fast, I kind of moved a couple around to let, you know, them cook faster or whatever. So here we go. They're all good and crispy. It's good. Now, as you can see, I'm stacking all the hot dogs up on one side of the cast iron grill, or skillet, whatever, cast iron skillet, and I'm just going to use this fat or oil, whatever they dripped out of the sausages. I'm just going to use that and fry my onions in it. And this is cool because it keeps it all in one pot. It's very low wash up duty, I guess. It's awesome. I love it. And it also like flavors it too, so awesome. And because the pan is already hot, it will take like maybe 2 minutes for it to get nice and browned and everything. Now we're just going to place the hot dogs back into the frying pan and cover them, well, kind of cover them with the onions, just to make sure everything is still kind of cooking. And yeah, that's basically it. I didn't really add any seasonings. It's just onions and yeah, that's basically it. Onions and hot dogs. It's really good. It really depends on the hot dog that you buy that will determine how good this will be. But yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys. I hope you enjoy, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!